If you're waiting for someone to come back, if you're waiting for someone to make a decision, it is on, okay? They are coming back. This is the divine letting you know that the feelings are reciprocated. This person feels the same, wants the same, and you both are on track. So you're about to align. This could be someone brand new. So if you're just waiting for someone to come in generally because you want a new relationship and you want to be happy and content, then it's on its way. If you are waiting for a person to come back, or you have had a conversation that you're waiting on a response from, and a decision to be made, this is the time where it's about to move forward. Between August and October are the months where you really start to rebuild this connection. The Empress is also showing, when you draw the Empress and the Knight of Cups, that is always showing a very well-suited couple, a very nice balance between people. But right now you are blindfolded, you don't know what's going on, you don't know what's coming, or if, when, buts, if it's coming. We have a nice foundation here that's about to be rebuilt. We have a nice structure. This person's going to bring in stability. It's going to bring in a kind of safe feeling to the connection. So you will be in a place where you feel very content, very comfortable, very happy. This could be across the board as well. It's just showing there as well. That's moving into an emotional sense of security where you feel grounded, where you feel safe, where you feel at home with a person. It could also equally involve you moving homes to be with a person, or, you know, discussions about having a home together. But that is what is going on. Whatever was off is going to be back on very soon, and that could be your love life generally. If it's been switched off, prepare for it to be switched on, because you are entering the dating world, because you have a partner coming in, a soulmate. Okay, and if you are currently separated with your soulmate, know that this is what's coming back around. Maybe that person needed time to think. Maybe that person was working through a few personal issues. Maybe you were working through some personal issues, and so the divine said you need a break, you need some time. But the time is over. You are now walking away from that phase of life, and you are walking into your winning phase. This is where things start to go right. This is where you win. This is where you get exactly what you want and what you have asked for. You are fully in control of this win, okay? So there you are in the Emperor energy. You get what you want, and only what you want, and this is you winning. So you definitely are going to be doing your victory lap very soon with regards to your love life. This may come as a shock to some people because you might not even be looking for anything. However, you've passed a final test, and whatever the test may have been, it'll be different for all of you. You've passed it with flying colours. This is you knowing yourself. This is you valuing yourself. This is you focused on the go-getter energy, the winning energy. This is you focused on the thoughts and the heart of the matter. So that is you battling out how you feel, the depths of your emotions, and coming out on top. Whenever we see the kings or any masculine cards, this is a good thing, because it means we have mastered the emotions and we are now sat in a place of understanding. So this is good. We've also got some feminine cards there as well. So we've got lots of pentacles, which are earth signs, just so you know. We have some fire signs coming through. We also have some air signs. So we have a mixture of all of the signs. We do have some cups in there as well. So it's almost like you are moving from one era to a new era. And this one is all about the happiness and the joy. We've been stuck in this place. We've been kind of burying our head in the sand a little bit here, hoping that something will just come together and just happen, and it's coming together, because that is your ships coming in. Now, any opportunities that come up, make sure you grab them with both hands. No more sitting on the fence. It is time to go.